Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to put multiple designs on one page in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, you need to start with a new document, printable size 8.5 times 11. If you don't have one already, so you just need to go to the side, click on inches and change the size to 11.5 times 11. Once that's open, you want to go to File and open all your designs that you want to pull into the new page that you just created. To select multiple designs at the same time, you hold Control and click, and as many designs as you want. When they're open, you just select the design and you go to Edit and Copy or Control C. And then you go to the document and you click on Paste and Edit Paste or Control V. And then you resize the design by holding the Shift key and then dragging the design to the size that you want. Holding the Shift key makes sure that the design keeps its own proportions together. Like it doesn't warp it out of proportion. If a design is multiple pieces and you want them to grab them all together, you just highlight them all and copy them and then paste them into the new page. This is just showing you how to add multiple designs. This thing didn't work out. I didn't expect it to be just arrows. And here you could ignore the ungroup command because I was just trying. First, I thought maybe I'll just grab one apple, and then I thought I'll grab all of them to show people that we could put like 2 apples instead of just 1 apple, like whatever. Anyways, I grabbed the whole apples and then go back to open and open more designs. You could fit as many designs as you want on a page. And repeat. Copy and paste. That's all you need to do. And then resize. Shift and drag down. Here I'm just trying to figure out the best placement for the designs. And then align them, center them. And then you could label each design by writing under it design 1, design 2, design 3, design 4. I have a problem since the update with my writing tool. It doesn't seem to let the computer click on a design unless I go to the layer side, or or when the mouse is in a specific position. It it never had I never had that problem before the latest update, but if anybody knows how I could fix this, please let me know. Here I'm trying to color the design, but it seems that font doesn't want to get colored. I tried multiple ways and it wouldn't work, so then I changed it into a different type of font. And that's it. Once you have it looking the way you like it, you just click on print. You make sure you turn off high speed printing, because high speed printing will give you lines in the design. The design will not look nice. It's better just to turn it off overall. You just use the high speed printing when you're printing multiple documents at the in the fastest time, and mostly black. But when you do colors, you want high speed printing to be off.